Hey there, Bruce Milligan from Cell Pro Repair Solutions here. I'm just gonna figure out what's wrong with this S8. What it's doing is when you put your ear up to here, it's making some funny noises. You can't hear anything, so I'm gonna approach this and see what happens. There we go. Just push that guy in. Now that I have a little bit of an angle on that, I'm gonna heat up the area where it's in. And it's gonna slide in there like a hot knife through butter. Okay, so now there's a home button connection in here. And at this point, you can see the wire. You just go all the way to the end. Just gonna push it up like that. I'm gonna turn down the heat at 130. Allow its own weight to do the thing, and then you can just kind of go like that. Alright, so the back's off, and that's the hardest part. Now we're going to take the screws out. Is that a move? What move's that? Yeah.
Stretch, really. What's this?
That is, Angie asked me to pick that up for Julia. And I think Julia wanted it for a birthday present for Lachlan, yeah. Is this like a hoodie? Now again, you want to keep the heat down low on this because you are going to be sort of spraying the heat on the screen here. But we keep this guy at 120 just to prevent any damage at all. Okay. Now that I got it up a little bit, I'm going to go back in with the plastic. See if we can't take a peek at this and see what's going on. See if I can reset this. You know what, I'm going to cut it. That should do. So in all honesty, I don't see anything wrong with this speaker. Other than it's just a little dirty. I'm gonna brush it off a bit. Speaker looks fine. Here it is here. I mean, so, anywho, I'm gonna replace it anyways. Just so we know what we're working with here. Put it back in place. Unfortunately, in order to properly test it, we have to put everything back in, other than the back glass. So here we go. Let's reassemble. That's what it is. Gosh darn it. Okay. Okay, looks like I've got everything back on here. We're gonna have to test this, or put this back on too to test. Looks like I just ran out of batteries. It's the first time that's ever happened. Okay, so I'm actually gonna turn off the video because I actually need to unlock this thing. Alright, so now you see how this guy is kind of there. We need to make sure it goes, this needs to go into there. So you're not going to be able to see it, but what I do is I just kind of put this a little bit over, get it down, try and give myself as much room as possible in there. It doesn't look like it's in place actually. Well, it turns out it was. And I just popped it out. Alright, so that's back in place again. I'm gonna close that up with the tape that's on there. Get it into spot, or into place. And there we have it. Cool. So that's all that's all I need. It's game, set, match. All right. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.